If you're looking to make money online with Claude or any AI for that matter, this is the video for you. Over the last decade, I've been working online full time and I made a considerable amount of money on all of the trends. And right now, this is probably the best trend that I've seen. And what I mean by that is this is the time you want to jump in and try and make money online with AI, and we're going to talk about Claude in this video. More importantly, I'm going to break down this step by step and show you exactly what you need to do. And this is the low barrier to entry method. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to make money online with Claude, and you're going to know exactly how to implement this, and you will come out with a plan that you can either do as a side hustle, or you could try and do this as a full-time gig. Let's jump into this and I'll show you how to make money with Claude right now. Super simple method that anyone can understand. All right, guys. So if you don't know, Claude AI, or the word Claude on Google Trends, has absolutely exploded right now. And there is massive opportunity to make money with Claude right now. Now, I want to compare this with ChatGPT, or OpenAI essentially, with ChatGPT. They had a very gradual kind of run up. They had a big spike, and they have been dropping off a little bit. But that is nothing compared to what we are seeing with Claude. The run up is absolutely insane. And there is just so much opportunity to make money online right now with this. So let's get started on how you can actually capitalize on this and potentially start a business that could last into the future. All right, guys, now I've been making money online for a long time. Like, check this out. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a $1 million award. This is another $1 million award. And we actually have a lot more of these. I just don't have them on me. And I have other awards for making money with affiliate programs and all sorts of stuff. I've been making money online for over a decade. And this is exactly this. I'm going to keep it super simple for you. There's two things that it comes down to in making money online. You're going to have a product. It doesn't have to be your product, but you're going to have a product of some sort or a service. Okay, so the service, or that's supposed to be an E. The service could be something like you're good at running ads. You sell that service to people. You charge people money to run their advertising. You might have a product. You might have an affiliate product that you want to promote. You might have your own course that you want to promote. You might have something you want to promote, right? This is the bucket. This is what I call the bucket. We've got two buckets here. You're either going to have a product or a service. And then what you need to do with that product or service is you need to distribute that to the internet, to the World Wide Web. So that could be something like, let's just put that into two buckets as well. You could do like free traffic. I don't have my pen on me. I'm just using my mouse. So that'll be free traffic. Or you could do something like paid traffic. Or you could do like outreach, right? You can reach out to companies. These are really and I will put in like email marketing and stuff and outreach, like cold emails, cold calling and stuff like that. So there's three kind of buckets, right? There's two buckets. There's product or service or both. And then you can go with free traffic, which is going to be like your organic socials and things like that, Google traffic, search engine optimization. Then you got your outreach, which is calling people, emailing people, things like that. And then you've got your paid traffic, which can be like advertising. So this is essentially an internet business right here. If you want to know what an internet business is, this is it right here. But now it's making it much easier for us to go ahead and do this stuff because we can use things like Claude. It's absolutely insane and we can do it really quick. So what I wanted to do is I want to show you a business model that's been around for a long time, but now you can capitalize on it with Claude and make a lot of money because now the barrier to entry is extremely low. All right, so let's get started with this. This is an old school method. The barrier to entry is pretty low, and it's pretty low now because of AI. So let me show you what I'm talking about. If we go ahead and look at this right here, this is in Google, cost to build website in New Zealand. And essentially, this is an AI snippet, but it's pretty accurate because it's taking data from actual websites that list their price for doing web design. And for a single page website, you're looking around about $1,000 at minimum. And then it goes up to $5,000. And then these are kind of like the prices. The more complex the website is, the more expensive it becomes. Now, I'll put this into perspective. Back in the day, I used to actually make these little websites. And it used to take me days, weeks, and it used to cost me a lot of time and money to actually make these for my own businesses. But now the barrier to entry is so low, and we can capitalize on this and make a ton of money, and we don't have to spend this type of money to do it. And in fact, we can help other people not spend this type of money as well. So let me explain to you exactly what I mean, because you might be confused, but we'll come back to this and I'll show you why this is so important. So what we're going to do is we're going to use Claude right here. We're going to go to here. We're going to take this prompt that I have and we're going to paste this into Claude. This prompt is called build a single website portfolio, a single page portfolio for a photographer. Now we're going to change this to plumber. And the reason why is because it's just more generic. Use a dark theme, or you could say light theme. Include a hero section, etc. This is the only prompt that you need. This is a very basic prompt. I've used this in my business many, many times. Sometimes basic prompts are the best. Now we're going to let this do its thing. And I don't think people understand how crazy this is. 10 years ago, whatever, it was a long time ago. You were probably very young then, but I was kind of in my late 20s then. When I could not do this, we could not do this. It was excruciating trying to create things online back in the day. This is absolutely insane what this can do, and you'll be amazed at what this can spit out in a short amount of time. Now, while I let ChatGPT do this, I want to say one quick thing. Sometimes on my videos, people say, oh, well, this isn't working for me, or it's not going to work for me. That's right, because if it worked for everybody, there would be an imbalance. It's not designed to work for everybody. My content takes proven strategies or new strategies that are working for myself or have worked for other people or do work for other people, and I show them to you to give you an idea of how you can make money online. In this specific video, make money online with Claude. Now, it doesn't work for everybody because 99% of the people will just leave this video eventually and they won't even implement this. Some people implement this, but it's not going to work for everybody. It's not designed to work for everybody. It's designed to work for people who put in the work and know how to actually use this. Now, I have students that have done tons of money over the last decade, like crazy amounts. I can't really say here, but over 8 figures, some of them. So I know my stuff works, just need to implement it. But is it going to work for everybody? No, that's not the way it's supposed to be. All right, guys, now this came out much better than I actually expected. And they actually, let's start from this top, because this is kind of mind blowing to me. Because if you remember some of my last videos, if you watched them, we used ChatGPT and it was not this good. So we have some menus up here, so we can actually create multiple pages if we like. Or these are probably clickable when they go down to there. Either way, we can do all that. But more importantly, it tracked where I was, Auckland, New Zealand, which is crazy because I don't think I told it. It's given us this incredible page. It's absolutely incredible, and it's kind of mind blowing to me. So it's given us this page that is all done. It's given us what the services are about, which is generally most plumbers, leak detection, drain cleaning, gas fitting, hot water renovations, maintenance plans, etc. It's given us our work section. So we would put the person's sections of work here. And then we have what people say. So we'll be putting reviews from people that use the company. And then we have request a quote down here. Now, I want to show you 2 important things with this website. Well, 3. One is it's very easy to use. 2, it has book a job here, see our work. Those are 2 critical things. And then down the bottom, it has book a quote or get a request here. This is all about maximizing people using these specific things because people have short attention spans. When they come to websites now, they want to click something, put in details, get something straight away. They don't really care too much about this. Like they care, but all they care about is, can I contact this company? What is their work like? What is their reviews like? Where can I get a quote? And that's really all that matters in today's world when it comes to these types of websites. And if we actually have a look here, you'll see that Claude has given us a full breakdown of how we can actually, of what is actually done, sorry. It's given us a full breakdown, and we can go ahead and download the code, and it's given us design choices of like the text and everything. Now I'm going to say to Claude, how can I install this on a WordPress website? The reason why I'm saying this is because most people use WordPress, and it's going to give us instructions on how we can actually do that. So once we get those instructions, I'll come back to this in a second. What are we actually doing here? So what we've done is we have created a product. That product is a website designed by Claude AI. So we have a product. We're going to delete the service thing here because we don't need that anymore. We have created a product. Now, what do we do with this product? We're going to delete 2 things over here. We're going to delete free, and we're going to delete paid here. We're going to do outreach. We have a product, we're going to do outreach, we now have a plan. So now what do? We're going to go back to Claude. It's given us instructions on how we can install this on someone's website. Option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. It tells us exactly what we need to do, the steps that we need to take. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to do the outreach part. And thankfully, we can actually use Claude AI for this now. It just blows my mind. Couldn't do this back in the day. If I had this 10 years ago, man, I could be a billionaire. This is crazy. If I had this 10 years ago, it would have made, my life would be completely different, probably, when it comes to like financials. My net worth will be much higher, I would imagine. So I'm going to say to Claude, I want to reach out to plumbing companies. All right, so I'm going to say I want to reach out to plumbing companies with old websites and pitch this to them. It could be new websites. Give me an outreach email, and can you give me a link to share the example site? So the link to the example site, it might not give me. I'm not sure. I do know that some do give you that. Claude, I maybe should be able to do it, I think. We'll see what happens. Okay, so it actually says exploring hosting solutions. So that's not what I was thinking. I do know that there is a way that you can actually get Claude to like host it or host the example and then send people a link. So you could potentially ask Claude to do that. Now, it's actually given us an email here. I came across and looking from the city, solid reputation, great reviews. I noticed your website might be due for a refresh. You built a modern site specifically designed for plumbing businesses. Get rid of this because people will know it's AI. Fast, mobile friendly with the quote section built in. I put together a live example for you. So it says you can go to netlify.com, drag in your plumber HTML into one thing. All right, so what this is going to do is it's going to give you a link to the site example, and it's going to be live for 1 hour. So we can literally take this link, we can put it into our thing here, our little email that we've made, and there's another option as well. You can do it through GitHub pages, free, permanent. This might be a better way. So we can go ahead and put that link in here. Oh, sorry, we don't have that link. So we can go ahead and put that link in there. And then I'll just put a link. And then now we can go and outreach to plumbers. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say to Claude, give me a list of 20 plumbers in Auckland, New Zealand. Now, I don't know if it's going to be able to do this. I'm just trying to do this so it's much easier to do. Or you can do this. So you can put plumbers in, and you can do this in any area. Now, I've just scrolled down because the map showed my address where I live. But if we go here, we've got plumbers, et cetera, we just go to their websites and we can simply go, hey, your website's old, and then send them your email. Now, this one's actually quite nice. We're not going to do this one, but if we go back to here, Claude has actually found us some plumbers that we can contact as well, right here. So you just send them emails. Now, you're probably not going to go for the ones at the top because they're already going to have really, really good websites usually, but you just contact these guys. You can do this in any area. If you're in America, you can do it in Chicago, California. You can do it in London. You can do it in New Zealand. You can do it in any country. Even if you're in another country, you can do it in another country, if that makes sense. Because this is all online. You don't have to meet up with these people. And all you do is send them their email and of this example website. Now, what do you charge for this? Well, it's pretty easy because it took us about 5 minutes to make it. It's about 1,000 to 5,000 per simple site nowadays. So just go and offer them 1,000. Or I know that what a lot of people do is they do a monthly thing where it's $99 or $197. You could do that. This is how easy it is to make money with Claude. What we just did is we created a simple product and we did outreach. You're going to go do outreach with the link to people online to promote, to essentially offer that website to them. And it gives you all the instructions on how to install it. I literally just showed you how to use Claude to make money online. I'll see you guys in the next video. Smash that like button.